hate when that shit happen, bro. What the fuck? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today is March 19th, 7:05 in the morning. It's a Thursday. Already went to the gym, and we about to make some money now. Already hit the gym. Time to make some money. This is what making money looks like for me. All right, let's get it. Broke these lows here. Haven't broken any highs yet. Let's zoom out, bro. Alright, so if anybody is watching this in chronological order, you might be wondering, damn, how did it jump from day 12 to, March 12th to March 19th? Well, there was a few days where I was working on my Alpha Futures zero account 50K challenge. And yeah, that may just have to be a different series, but that didn't last very long. So I'm just going to kind of focus on live trading. I do want to get another challenge again at some point pretty soon. Maybe in the next month or so. I'm not sure which prop firm yet. Still trying to figure out which one is the best one. And I might just trade that separately in like a different series or something. But yeah. So the day before, I had a great day. I think I profited a little over $200. I can't remember how much exactly. But I'm going to put the setup here that I took on that day on the screen right here. And unfortunately I didn't get any footage to I think my Streamlabs wasn't recording at the time. It wasn't working at the time, so I wasn't able to record that day. But we also had another banger today too, so we had back-to-back bangers. Boy, I do this. I'm telling you, I do this. Alright, y'all, I'm not gonna cap. I cut out like an hour and 30 minutes worth of footage of me just waiting for a trade to develop. So it took a little minute for this banger to kind of develop for me. Ended up catching a demand on 6E or EuroFx, Euro USD futures, whatever. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward to the entry and then skip on to the to where it ended up hitting TP for me as well. I'm not taking no resistance setups today. I'm gonna look strictly for this demand right here. If this demand hit, what is gonna be decent, especially if we starting a new trend. Only if I can go back to my past self and tell me, hey bruh, that demand was decent. Then, the matter of fact, you really could have held, made some money. But yeah. But let me go ahead and fast forward. So just to chime in again real quick, it took hellas for this setup to finally actually play out. It took hellas for it to develop and hellas for price to come back down to my zone. And I have to risk $150 is crazy. Alright, so at this particular point in time, I'm rolling up. That's just how I roll, especially, when I'm trading. I don't know. It's just something I do. If that bothers you, you might be on the wrong channel. But I like to, smoke and enjoy myself and make money at the same time. Or lose money, either way it goes. All right, so while my struggle blend is over there struggling to light, I'm just gonna go ahead and skip us up to the point where, you know, I'm already deep in profit at this point. I'm just gonna go ahead and move my stop loss to break even and kind of just manage my trade. What do you tell me? I can't put my shit in profit? The fuck? What kind of shit is that? Fuck it, I'll just leave it there. I want trading view to let me know when my shit get hit. So stops are at break even, a little bit above break even, but still at break even. I'm so trash. The wrap was so loose, so the shit not smoking for real. TP hit. And just to make sure that there's no confusion, you know, with the P&Ls and stuff, just to make sure everything is real, I'm gonna go ahead and put a screenshot of my actual P&L from directly from TradeAvate here, just to make sure, you know, they ain't no cap my rap and I'm making real live money. I'm gonna go and check and see how much we made today. It's pretty textbook. Pretty textbook. When you go with the trend, them 1-2s are so easy to hit, bro. They're just as, I won't say just as easy as 1-1s to hit, but they're damn near as easy as 1-1 or 1-1s. And I could have held that. Look how much longer I could have held that. If I didn't set no TP, I could have just held that for a little longer. But I'm satisfied with what I made today for sure. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, before 9 o'clock, I am done trading for the day. I know I probably already have it on the screen at this point, but I'm about to go look at my TradeAvate now. So I'm on a win streak so far. Yesterday, I took one trade, green. Today, I took one trade, green. Commissions was about $6, so that I figured. So I made $300 today. Yep. It was nothing to it. It was just we had caught this yesterday. I got stopped out. I took partials. I had my stop loss and profit and everything. You know how that goes. But we had a long drop yesterday. I see we started to correct here, but it broke this low. Okay, so at this point, I'm like, okay, we might be looking for sales. But when I woke up this morning, I was at the gym. I was looking at price. I saw price breaking up here. I'm like, okay, we might be looking for buys. So when I saw this happen, and I'm like, oh yeah, we breaking these highs, we breaking this, and we had a clean demand zone. Now, if you got an aggressive, you would have been gravy. But the break of the candle was still right here after this big rejection. So I'm like, and we're bullish. It's a no-brainer. The shit is simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't be scared to get in. Get in. Don't be scared to hold to your TP. Get out and be done. And be done for the day. It's 1, 2, 3, easy. But I think that's the end of the video for now. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.